What's going on, people? I work on computers also, just for fun and in my spare time. I usually try to fix my own problems if I can. Messing with a very old Hewlett Packard laptop here. This one's like a 2007, with ancient Windows Vista on it. Let me show you something on it real quick. All right, this poor old thing. I'm surprised it's even running at all. But this problem could affect many of you. It was just having trouble functioning properly. It was just really, really struggling, even to boot up and that sort of thing, just having problems. So, I flipped it over and pulled out the little watch battery that's, in it next to the RAM slots. Didn't affect it at all, didn't help it. So, on a whim, I pulled the battery out of it, which I knew the battery was not charging, which means this battery is fried. But I pulled the battery out of it, and it booted up just fine. So there you go. If you got a laptop that's just really struggling to function, pull the battery and see what happens. That might fix your problem. So now we're about to do a virus scan, and we're just doing a basic cleanup on it and all that. So yeah, it's an ancient computer. But for just doing some very simple functions, if you just want to use it for internet surfing or watching a DVD or something, hey, it's old. Who cares? Maybe you can make it work and it'll keep living. So I just thought that was interesting that just by removing the main battery, it now functions much better. So it needs to be replaced, obviously. We'll consider that. But if it'll run being plugged in as it can, who cares? It doesn't need a battery, whatever. Anyway, that's that. Just thought y'all would like to know. Oh, look, we have a flash. We're using our new computer here. Our new cell phone, which is a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which is pretty awesome because look what you can do. Say I'm filming with my regular front camera, and I want to then switch to the selfie camera. Totally awesome. I've never had a phone that can do that. Usually you have to film it twice and all that, and just whatever. It takes forever to have to piece it all together. So all you have to do is push a button, and you can switch cameras while live. Totally freaking awesome. Anyway, that's irrelevant, but I'm totally into technology and photography and video. And check out our channel. We have all kinds of technology stuff as well as motocross related stuff. As you see, I'm into technology, dude. But check out our other videos, especially if you're into motocross related or cars, trucks, hot rods, things like that. We have all that kind of stuff on our channel. So check it out. This is Biker Dave, East Cobb, Marietta, Georgia, north of Atlanta. See if we can help y'all out with a laptop issue. So that's it. See y'all later.